I'm gonna show you how to integrate API gateway with different services, and I use request mapping and response mappings. Let's jump in the code. It more fun and easier to understand. Okay, you need a new project. Today I'm gonna use Vim. I wanna have fun with Vim, so I tried. So for each of cases, I need to specify the mapping template. For example, for step function, I need to specify which state machine gonna be involved, but I specify this at API gateway, not at the client. For Lambda, when Lambda responds, I want to allow only ID and message fields gonna be passed to client, not all fields. So this response template helps to do it. Okay, let's see the project structure. Okay, let's import some lambda IAM logs API gateway. Also import the path and this one to load some code. So first lambda function, then access log for API gateway, and then role for API gateway to invoke lambda, and then API gateway and then deployment and stage. We do 2 stage: production stage and development stage. Okay, so I copy my lambda. It's faster. I already prepare it, so it's simple. I show you the lambda function later on, and let me create an log group. New log group. Log group name. I want it to be removed when I remove this stack. So when this stack destroyed, log group gone. That's it. The raw. Let me copy the raw. So okay. So we need 2 things. The API gateway can invoke lambda function. Okay, and second, the API gateway need to create access logs. So that's it, right? Now we create an API. REST this REST API name. And by default, CDK deploy a product stage which can connect from internet. Okay, it's called this option. Default is true. Okay, that's it. We need to make deployment. Need to map to the API, and that's it. And now we add stage. And we specify deployment and access log dot log group destination. We pass a log group here. We can specify the access format. It's from a static function. Okay. The most important thing now is we need to integrate Lambda with API gateway. This is the most important thing. We first create resources API root dot add resources. Let's call it order, and then we the key name resources add method get methods, and here is the most important thing. Okay, we integrate with Lambda. So how we gonna integrate with Lambda? We need to specify which function and the integration options. So first the raw for API gateway, and then the proxy mode, and then the request mapping, and then the response template mapping. Okay, so that's several. Yeah, let's specify this one first, called integration. It is a 200, and then response template. I need to load it from file. So this path is I don't like because the template is written in Apache Velocity language, and currently it's not convenient to write and load it. So let's say here I come back it later on. I do the easy path first. I path a row. If it's equal to API gateway will pass all the headers, everything to Lambda, but I don't want it. Okay, so request templates. So this one I also have to load from a file, but if I don't have it, so when no templates, I need to specify the path through behavior dot no match. So when the template is not matched or no template, I pass through API gateway pass through the body request to Lambda function. So now I need to load resolve where is template. So where that template response the so that's it, and then we update the request template later on. Now okay, I think now we need to add Lambda code. So it is our project structure. Let me add lambda index.py. Okay, and let me add template request template lambda and add another one request, no, response. Okay, let me copy the lambda code. Gonna pin event for debug echo yes event. I think this is that's it, and let's open the response. Okay, I want to respond only ID and message. That's it. Let's check our project structure. Okay, we got lambda, we got template. Okay, request template lambda. Okay, and I think this is respond template lambda respond. We need to move. Sorry, I need to into the template. Okay, now it's correct. Request. Let. I think I can open another terminal. Some error happen. It always there. Then need to fix some error. Okay, let's check what errors. No file in that. So double check our project structure first. Okay. Looks okay. Okay. Response template lambda. No file or directories. Okay, got it. We need to. I got it. This one. We forget the dear name. Okay. Hopefully it can be synthesized. Okay. Deploy it. Let's look at the code to see. So we got lambda, we got access group, we create a raw. Let's double check raw assumed by API gateway. Invoke lambda. Yes. And then push to logs, and then API gateway, and then create a product stage by default, and then integrate with lambda. No proxy. Okay. No request template yet, and response template. Okay. And another deployment. Okay. Okay. Let me go to the console. I think we almost. Okay. Okay. Oh, I think I in the wrong account. Sorry. I need to. I deploy to another account, so sorry, I deploy to a different account, not the demo account. So now I change back the demo account. So sorry. So we need to wait another minute. Sorry. I set up my own command um, to change account quickly. Now I think it's correct. Let's go to check CloudFormation template. Yeah, it's deploying. Okay. And let me quickly walk through for other cases. For the queue, we also need to specify mapping so that the request from client can map to a correct format for the queue service. Yeah, for the queue, almost similar how we integrate option request template. Okay, and here how I find out the template. So I look at the lower level. This is the API request, how to call, how to push message to queue. So let's look at the API specification. It looks like this. Okay, so you need a message body, actions, and release action, and yeah. Okay, deploy. I think now is deploy. Two stages, resources. Let's give it a test. Okay. Okay. I want the event to be echoed back. So let me show you the how the events looks like now. So I already print lambda print already print events, but the event now is empty, nothing. So yeah, so the event now is nothing. Lambda receive event but nothing. So we need to config the request template mapping here. So I add, and I'm gonna add it. Okay, no, and I pass through. So if you want to format which information you're gonna pass to lambda, you specify here input dot something, but in here I pass everything, almost like proxy. So I don't save manually. I come back my code, and here, and let me open request this one. Okay, and let me come back my stack and load it from here. So it almost like this line, copy, and I paste to request template here, how I load it. But I need to change the response to the request. That's it. Okay, and we deploy. Now we have to wait a bit, maybe I guess 10 seconds, maybe more, 20 seconds. So now I expect when I do test, I will see the event echo. API gateway request lambda receive event, lambda echo back the event. So I want to see what event they being passed, right? So check, not finished yet. Okay, so now let's look at. Okay, updated. Now we're gonna give a test and see. Not yet, so have to check the lambda here. This one. Okay, because in the response mapping, I only allow message, not echo, message to be response. So okay, now just okay. So for other services like queues, EventBridge, I already take note and share how the template should be. For example, for the step function, this is template for step function. EventBridge, this is template for EventBridge. So that's all. Thank you.